Here we are, Triple Crown 2022. We are round one today at the good old Argyll MX. So we had practice yesterday. Practice was dry and rough. A lot of rice in it. Really, really rough track. So we set it up for that. Then today, it's wet and slick and cut really deep. So completely different track. It was hard to gauge the suspension because it was so wet. Corbin held on during the first practice, or the morning practice. Cameron went down. Oh, he did stall out once, but he's doing better at getting it started. And then we're getting ready for our first race. So first race is 65 open, so they're both going to be out there. And we're getting ready to go. We got done with open. Corbin got a great start on that open class. Man, he was right there behind Connor and Dane. He was like fourth around the turn. But you know, that's open class. Those are Loretta kids. And Dane and Connor had one heck of a battle, man. They were battling out. I mean, good job, boys. That was good. And so our boys, Cameron's bike bogged off the start. So I tuned it a little bit. We'll see what it does, but you're doing good, Corb. You're doing good. Keep pushing. All right, I got some work to do. I know you got no front brake. Your clutch was slipping.
My front brake is garbage too. No, please. Ow.
Oh.
I'm not right.
What's up, Goober?
Now.
What's up, Goober? Woo!
Get off, Logan.
What, you think his name's Santa? You can sit on his lap, you can tell him what you want? All right, good.
Give me a minute. Come up here. We're 29 years old. He should get Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dave. Happy birthday to you.
Here we are, round number 2, Triple Crown out here at Argyll MX. It's windy. We are batten down the hatches. We're inside. Yesterday was a beautiful day. It was a nice day. So yesterday, well, let's see, Corbin went down on one race. Him and another kid kind of got together.
Jason.
Yeah, him and Jace kind of got together on a start. So he went down, kind of hurt his arm, but did good in his other, I think, what'd you get, an 8th or 9th overall? Something like that. And then Cameron did all right too. I think he got a 7th in age group and I think a 9th also in open. So both of them were top 10 in their classes, doing good. A little rough day. We had a clutch issue on his bike and a brake issue. I think I got the brake working better. And I think I got the clutch working better. That clutch just doesn't like to work when it's cold. So we got to make sure we warm it up real good. So it's going to be a challenging day with the wind. It's a north wind, so that means all the jumps have a crosswind. And usually it's a south wind, so it's opposite of what it usually is here. The wind the last couple days was a west wind, so we kind of had a tailwind or a headwind on the jumps. But it's really windy. It's supposed to be 30-mile-an-hour winds today. So another day of racing, and I think we'll do pretty good today. Huh. So, yeah, it wasn't the best day, but it's Triple Crown. The track's a little more difficult. The competition is a lot stronger, so that's Triple Crown. Huh. You ready today? Ready to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah! Clutch issues. What? Well, I finally figured it out. You what? I finally figured it out, but what was it? The lever, I had it. I had it adjusted. So, but I was like, down, everything else. There you go. We are back from rounds 1 and 2 Triple Crown out at Argyll MX, and we had a good weekend of racing. Had some mechanical issues, nothing major, couple little wrecks, but all in all a good weekend. The boys did all right. We got out there on Thursday and then practice on Friday and then racing Saturday and Sunday. Corbin went down on one of his races on the starts. Him and another rider, kind of got together. And then we were having some clutch issues with his bike, which I didn't finally figure out until Sunday. And it ended up being something so stupid and simple. I just had his clutch lever adjusted too far in, so it wasn't pushing the plunger in all the way and engaging the clutch. And so on the starting line, when he had the clutch pulled in, it would start to engage. And so he was, he's always awesome at his starts. So he didn't get good starts, and he would work his way up and do it all right. Cameron got kind of a hole shot on Saturday. The hole shot for Argyll is, it's a right-hand turn then into a hard left, and the hole shot line is after that left. Well, he hole shotted the first turn, and then in the left, he got passed. And I think Georgie ended up getting it. And Georgie's a great rider, fast kid, great at starts too. So Georgie ended up getting that one. But they did good. Saturday was beautiful. Sunday was just crazy wind. We had 20, 25 mile an hour winds gusting to like 30, 40 miles an hour. And the kids were just really having a difficult time on the jumps. I mean, it was blowing kids off the tabletops, but all in all, their results, I got them written down just because it was 2 days of racing. So Cameron on Saturday got a 7th in 65 novice and an 8th in 65 open. And then on Sunday, he got an 8 and an 8. So he's right there, 7th, 8th place, both classes. Corbin on Saturday, 13th in beginner, 16th in open. Again, he wasn't doing real good on his starts. The 65 beginner, the 13th, that's when he went down. And he got back up and went and passed some kids. So Sunday, round 2, he got 6th in beginner, which is about where he should be. He should be right there. And then in 65 open, he got 18th on Sunday. So he came back with his round 2 and did better, got a good start, and did a lot better on that day. So Triple Crown's always tough. The track Friday was really, really, really rough for practice, and then really wet on Saturday, and then on Sunday was kind of typical Argyll. So it was almost 3 different tracks all week, and then with the wind drying out on Sunday, drying out the track, Mike works hard on those tracks, tries to get them up and put water on it, but it was definitely not an easy weekend on Sunday to keep the track up. But kids all came home safe. No major injuries. Corbin's arm was hurting him a little bit from his crash. Him and Elliot got together on a start. They were just kind of bumping bars and went down. So they're both okay. I think I heard Elliot was scraped up a little bit, but both kids continue to race and continue to fight and had a good weekend of racing. So we've got a little bit of a break until the next one. We're going to do some training. We're going to hit the round 3 and 4 at Oatfield, and then we're going to hit Mesquite, Nevada. Go down there for Thanksgiving. Ton of people going down there. Looking forward to it. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.